Implement and manage authorization mechanisms. Authorization defines the rights and permissions granted to a user account or process. Authorization mechanisms determine how subjects access objects. Authorization mechanisms models are Role-Based Access Control, RBAC. Rule-Based Access Control. Mandatory Access Control, MAC. Discretionary Access Control, DAC, and Attribute-Based Access Control, ABAC. Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, is an access control model that is based on how information is accessed on a system based on the role of the subject. For example, bank may have loan officers, tellers, and managers. Administrators can create a group named loan officers, and then assign appropriate privileges to the group. Rule-based access control is an access control model that is based on a list of predefined rules that determine what accesses should be granted. For example, firewall is a set of rules or filters defined by an administrator. Mandatory access control, MAC, is an access control model that is based on a subject's clearance and an object's labels. For example, subjects and objects have clearances and labels are confidential, secret, and top secret. Discretionary access control, DAC, is an access control model that is based on data owners decide who has access to resources. For example, manager for a IT department might be made the data owner of the files and resources within his department. Attribute-based access control, ABAC, is an access control model that is based on an access policy determined by the attributes of a subject and object. For example, access to a given data set or system might only be allowed during working hours.